Jain student, today we are going to discuss the introductions of macroeconomics. In this we first discuss the what is economics all about. As a beginner, it will be useful for to understand what economics is about and how it can be defined. Since its origin, different economists have tried to see defined economic in various different manner. It is because of this reason there are a sharp difference opinion among the economists regarding the definitions of economics. But most of the economists are view economics is a science of choice. This is view based on the two fact that human want are unlimited and the mean to satisfy these wants are limited and they can be put to a several use. It means that the resources available in any country to produce goods and services are scarce. Scarcity means that country has limited resources, therefore cannot produce all the community people wish to have. The study of the economics involve the management of economic resources and in other words we can say that economics is the study of how economy manage its scarce resources. So economics is the study of how individual make economics decision like how much you work, how much you earn, what you want to buy, how much you save, how much you invest in your saving, etc. The knowledge of economics will be make you good at problem solving because you will learn about the problem identifications, their possible solution, uses of relevant informations, finally taking up decision. Next, meaning of economic. We know that people are engaged in various type of economic activities such as consumption, production, exchange and distribution. In order to perform all these activities, we require some sort of system, organization or structure which call economy. So economics is a system in which and by people get a living of to satisfy their want through the process of production, exchange and distribution. So generally economy classified into three types: market economy, centrally planned economy and mixed economy. And economies can be subdivided into two parts: open economy and closed economy. Open economy where the economy has economic relation with other countries, then it is known as open economy. Closed economy when economy has no economic relation with the other country, then it is known as closed economy. And the economy that are classified into three types. First, market economy means it is economy in which economic activity is left to the free play of the market force. There is no government interference regarding what how much to produce and how much to consume. In market economic, all the activities are organized through the market. A free market economy operate automatically through the price mechanism. Next, centrally planned economy. It is economy in which the course of economic activity is decided by some central authority or by the government. And it is not the free economy. Only a central authority decide the overall basket of goods and services that the people can be produce or consume. And it is also called a command economy or socialist economy. And last, mixed economic. It is the combinations of the market economic and centrally planned economy. Then what is scarcity? Scarcity refers to the condition of insufficiency where the human beings are incapable to fulfill their want in sufficient manner. In other words, it is a situation of fewer resources in comparison to unlimited human wants. Human wants are unlimited. We may satisfy some of our wants, but soon new wants are arise. It is impossible to produce goods and services so as to satisfy all wants of people. So scarcity explains the relationship between the limited resources, unlimited want, and the problem therein. Like today, what it clear drinking water and quality of soil are two most scarce resources in this plant which insufficient to meet the unlimited human wants. Thank you.